steps and little steps, you understand? So image size is the first thing to do. You change the width to 30,212 and you change the height to 7,509. Okay, so this is how it's going to look like. You add your background color, add background color, and here we're going to be using color white. Okay, so I import my images that I want to use. Import. No, I cannot import it because now I just have to change diagram. Now I'm going to use shapes. I'm using a triangle, a right angle triangle like this. Okay, so here I'm going to turn it like this and put a texture to it. What's the texture I need? Let's get started. Okay, come to my screenshot. So you've got to see so many of the textures I'm going to use. We're designing for a textile company, remember that? Okay. Okay, so you have something like this and perfect. Align it very well. Make sure it's very well aligned. Okay, so now we're going to use a square. I'm going to put color so you see what I'm doing. I'm going to use a square and change texture to add a different texture to it as well. Okay, adding texture to it, remember. Okay, something like this, it's better. All right, so I'll copy this, but then I'm not using the same image. I'm still going to use add texture, and change the texture of that diagram. Okay, okay, we have something like this now. All good. Okay, what else? We have this shape of a square, turning that other way around, but then we're going to have purple. I think let's use purple. Purple is a better color now. Good. Next is to add text. We have more text, more text, more text. Good. Color right, a font, some of this font I imported it. Okay, so if you don't see how to import it, check I'm gonna put the link of the video of how to import it in this video. Okay, so you can always refer to it anytime, and so you can know how to import your font and use them on Pixellab. Okay, next one we're going to be writing textile, more textiles. Okay, here same color, white, different font, maybe something regular. Okay, bolden it and increase the size a little bit. Okay, you copy it and I did right. The next write up your best material. Okay, your best material. Change color using yellow this time around, reducing the size of this. All right, we're all good to go. Okay, so this is what we have. I had to copy this, I copied this, I copied this, and this is what I have. I had to reduce the size so it can align with this purple here. Okay, this is what I have then. And what we're gonna do again, rotate it, make sure all the things you're doing are aligning very well. It's very important. That's one concept of having a good design work. Okay, so we'll have something again. That's a triangle, right? We have a triangle looking like this, with same color as this purple. I'm gonna increase it and turn it again. I'm taking it inside here. This is what we're going to be having like this. Okay, very good. This is what we're going to be having, and we have 50%. Let's imagine they are using to run an ad or campaign. You know, it's going to be for an upsell or something, discount offer. Okay, so let's put this first. Increase the size. Okay, and the color too. I'll show change color, and I can start to bolden it. Okay, 50%. Use the size a little so it doesn't look like dramatic or something. So I'm gonna copy your best material, okay, because I'd like to use the same font and write the discount offer. Okay, then bring it here, discount offer. Increase the size, and like this. I need it to be like this, so I'm gonna still reduce the size to fit in. Perfect. This is what I'm talking about. Okay, next we're gonna be bringing some materials inside here now. So let me copy this. I'm gonna copy this. I don't want to use the same material, so I'm gonna change texture and getting something new. Okay, pay your attention please. It's already done with the designing, so I bring it here. Okay, it's not from here, so I'm gonna, it's not that image. Okay, here I'm gonna have this. I just want to use, I don't want to use the same image. Okay, this is okay, right? Remember to align your work. Okay, what next? I'm gonna copy again. I'm copying the same thing, and I'm gonna still change the texture. I'm gonna still change the texture. Remember that I don't want the same images. It's gonna be fun when you're changing texture. You understand? Okay. Be mindful of it's not nice if you're using where we have a person standing and the person there, it could be a white man. It just look all fake, so it's better you don't even try it out like that. Okay, so we're still gonna write something here. We're still gonna have something here, down here. So and these images are kind of big, so we're gonna be having something like this. I still want to write down here, and those images are very big, and if I push them inside to crop it, it's gonna take up my time, and alignment might be another issue. Okay, so I've gotten what I need. So what do I have to do now? I'll go and padlock that place so it doesn't get to move. You understand? Okay, here I'm going to put the company's logo. If the company has logo, we're going to put add text. So when you put add text, so you get an option to import. We're going to import the company's logo here. And you download, that's where we have it. Okay, so I just downloaded something like this. Regardless, I don't have to remove the background because we'll do it using this Pixellab. We're still gonna do it here. Okay, so we're gonna take out erase color. Okay, when you erase color, increase the tolerance a bit and smoothen the edges a little. Okay, this is it. What do? I reduce the size to my desired size. Okay, so this is what I am talking about. Very good. What's the name of the place? Motex Textiles. Don't forget. Motex Textiles. Motex. Motex Textiles. Okay. This is it, right? And the color I'm gonna use purple. And now I'm gonna change the font to a desired font, a font that is better and okay. Okay, this is good. Slap regular. I'm building it, building it, and then I reduce the size to the desirable size. And textiles. What next? I can decide to add phone number, Instagram handle, depending on what you want to add. Okay, just be aware of that. Okay, so I'm gonna copy it again just to add my phone number there. Here we have phone number. Person can decide to call. Okay, and we are done designing. So you save as image. Remember, once saving, in the place of custom and dimension, you put your ultra, a very high definition